Today it's the 13th of June 2023. We have Tunnbindaregatan 47 here in Norrköping, Sweden. I'll turn the lights here.
Yeah.
It's needed. It needs to be turned on. It's the original today with 7 floors here. It was built in late 1988, turning 35 years old this year in 2023. Engaged in 1989. December is 74 NE 4109. That's how floors. Capacity is 30 classes or 1,000 rooms. I'll sit down here. I will take a second ride here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Inspected by the grant, maintained by Otis.
That's Otis Europe 2000, which is already rare in Sweden today.
Yeah.
Because too many have been realized already. Or replaced.
Same here.
That's the Otis logo by the door rail. Yeah. Just too bad it doesn't have a dog rose button here.
Yeah.
Watch the buildings. 41, 43, 45 so far, and there are still a few more here.
Yeah.
In this quarter.
That's